Welcome back to document preparation, a LaTeX based approach class. In today's class, we are going to discuss about list environment. There are basically three types of list environment. The first is enumerate environment, second is itemized environment, third is description environment. Enumerate environment is used to create numbered list. So whenever you want to create a numbered list, you will make use of enumerate environment. So to create any environment, as we know that we have to make use of /begin command, and within curly brace we need to write the name of the environment. So here we will write enumerate environment to use enumerate environment. So /begin enumerate will start the enumerate environment, and then to add number of items we have to make use of /item command. So /item then followed by name of the item. Then as many items you want to create or enumerate, you have to add that many items in this, and at the end you need to make use of /end enumerate command to end the enumerate environment. For example, /begin environment, and then within this I am using /item followed by 5 star, then another item /item followed by dairy milk, and then I am ending the enumerate environment. So when I execute this on Text Studio by using TextLive compiler, I get the following output, that is a numbered list as 1 with 5 star and number 2 as dairy milk. Another kind of list environment is itemized environment. So whenever you want to create a bulleted list, we make use of itemized environment that begins with /begin itemize command, and within that you can add number of items by using /item command, and then it ends with /end itemize. For example, /begin itemize, so we have /item 5 star /item dairy milk, and at the end we have /end itemize. When I execute this on LaTeX, I get the following bulleted list in the output. The next environment is the description environment. This description environment is used to create a labeled list. The labels will be provided by us. So it starts with /begin description and ends with /end description. And within this begin and end environment, you will be using /item commands to add the items. But along with this item command, you will be making use of label within square brackets as shown in this syntax. So /item within square bracket, the label you want to display on the output is provided over here, followed by the list of items. For example, /begin description /item, then within square brackets I have written A, and then 5 star /item within square bracket B, this is the label, second label, and dairy milk, and at the end /end description. So when I execute this on LaTeX, I get the following labeled list with label as A and B, A for 5 star and B for dairy milk. Now we are going to look at the execution of this particular list environment, or how to create list environment using Text Studio. So this is a Text Studio environment, and here we are going to execute the list environments. Okay, so now first of all we'll be using the /document class command to decide upon what kind of documents we are creating. I have set the font size to 10 point and a A4 size paper, and the type of document I am creating is article, so by using the class article. Okay, then I am using a package blind text for creating blind text, and I am using another package as Babel, that for using the English language. Okay, then we start the document by using /begin document command, and then within that I have created the title page. Okay, by using the /make title command. Okay, then to create the enumerate environment or list environment, first list environment is the enumerate environment. So here I have used /begin enumerate, and then I have added 2 items to it, and then end enumerate. This is how you create a numbered list in LaTeX. Then /begin itemize, and then the items that are to be added, and then slash end itemize. This command will create a bulleted list in LaTeX. Then description environment, so it starts with slash begin description. We have added 2 items with label A and B and slash end description. So this will create a labeled description list or a labeled list. The label will be provided by the user. Then there is another command slash new page. This is used to create a transfer the text to new page, or create a new page over here. Then again we have made use of description command, like slash description environment, and here I have created 2 paragraphs, and I have also used the description environment within another description environment. So this will create a para within another para, that is a labeled para that will be within particular para, that is a kind of sub para, right? So in this way you can create a list within another list by using this environments within another environment, right? So when I execute this particular code, so for executing I just need to click on this button over here. When you click, it will build the particular code and will display the output here itself, right, beside this. And this command is used to compile final output, right? So when I compile build this particular thing, you get a process exits normally command, and then you see the output. So this is the output. By using the title, we have created this title, and then the first, by using enumerate environment, we have created this list 1.5 star 2.dairy. Then using itemize environment, we have created a bulleted list as 5 star and dairy milk. Then labeled list A as 5 star and B as dairy milk, and then new page, so the data is transferred to the new page, and I have created para 1. This text is randomly created by using blind text command. Then within this description environment, I have used another description environment, and I have labeled it as subpara. So this is creating another subpara. Then I have created another item within the first description environment. So this is the second para. In this way, you can create a labeled paragraphs that will not be numbered. So this is how we can make use of list environment to create different kinds of list in a document. Thank you. In the next class, we are going to look into the math environment or equation environment.